Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to find tags for Redbubble. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you could find good tags for your Redbubble products. Now, we will be using a platform or another website for this that is specifically designed for e-commerce platforms, such as Redbubble over here. Now, the platform is called PodCS, and as you can see here, you will be able to access this easily when you log into or create an account, and you could use it for Redbubble, Amazon, and Etsy over here. It has different tools that you could utilize to help you improve your product creations in Redbubble and start getting better sales. So let's explore this platform over here, the PodCS. As you can see, there is three different tools in Redbubble, or for Redbubble, you have the Redbubble Trends, wherein you will be able to find or see what is currently trending in the search of Redbubble so that you can see which products are popular, what topics are popular, stuff like that. You can also see the tag generator. This is the tag generator that you could utilize to find good tags for your Redbubble products. And you also have your Redbubble rank over here, which would allow you to see the top 5,400 best-selling products over here. So let's go over here. Let's check out the first tool over here first. Let's click on Start. This is the Redbubble Trends, and then we'll proceed to the next and then to the next over here. As you can see here, this is the Redbubble Trends, and you will be able to see trending topics that you could take advantage of and create products of as well. You can see here, you have all of this list. There is 35 pages of this list, and this gets updated. As you can see here, the last update is June 30. So it's getting updated daily, so you don't have to be worried about it having an old data. The first one trending right now is called Earthless. You can see the competition level over here. Very low means that only a few people are selling this type of products, and as you can see here, there's only 90 products available right now in the market with this specific topic. You can also see the top 3 category over here, the t-shirt, stickers, mouse and pads, and desk masks over here. You could utilize this information so that you could, improve the output or improve what type of product you're trying to sell in Redbubble next, so that you have an idea on what type of product you could try and get a lot of sales of. And there is also other informations over here. As you can see, the bestsellers. When you hover on this section over here under the bestsellers, you will be able to see the sample products, so you have a preview of what this specific topic is. Now, if it's a movie or a game or a brand, I suggest that you don't do those because there is some infringement rights in Redbubble, so you won't really be earning on those type of topics. So simply look for a good topic right now in the Redbubble Trends over here, and look for a topic that you could utilize and take advantage of without having to break some infringement rules. And also over here, you have Dark and Darker. This is one of the examples over here. Unfortunately, this is a game or some sort of a brand, so you can't use this. Capitola over here, and there's also other topics over here. Simply look for the different types of product that you could utilize. You can also click here to get more information. When you click this, as you can see, you will be redirected, wherein you can see all the related tags of this specific topic. As you can see, you can also copy these tags over here if you would like, and you can also see the popularity of the specific tag, as you can see here on the right side of the keywords. You can also see how many people or how many shops are competing for this specific topic right now. As you can see, for this first shop over here, they have created 12 products right now, and you can see there also the different shops that are selling this type of product. And you have your average price, and then your popular color over here, black being the most popular, and all of these options over here. Now we could go back. This is one of the ways you could utilize this platform. The way you utilize this is completely up to you, and you can see here also there is some products that are having high competition, as you can see, for Calico. And we also have Banff National Park, which has 2,672 products created. So you're going to have a hard time competing with those. So I suggest that you stray away from those topics that have high competition, because you're just going to have a hard time competing with these people. So going back here to the user center, we're going to check out the tag generator this time. Click that. Now, for example, you have created a product. Of course, you're going to have a theme or a topic for the specific product that you have created. For example, I have created a product that is about space. I can simply type in here space, and you will be able to click on enter, and it will generate keywords, popular keywords that you could use for the specific topic that you have created. As you can see here, you have all of these keywords and tags that is available for you, and you can see the popularity as well. How many times people have used this tag? As you can see here, 6,559 times for the word space. And you can simply copy the specific tags that you would like to have for your products. These are all effective because, as you can see, you could already see how many times people have used this tag. So you have a guarantee that these tags that are very useful or very well known. So you can simply select the tags that you would like to have, or you could copy all tags over here just like that. It will copy it to your clipboard, or you could open it in a keyword processor over here. When you select that, you will be redirected to the keyword processor, and as you can see here, you can simply copy and paste this to your own page over here. Like when you create your product over here, sell your art, when you start creating your product, you will be able to see the location where you will be able to add the tags. So over here, when you upload a new work over here, let's see this one, and as you can see here, this tags over here, this is where you're going to put the tags that you have created over here. You can also utilize the Redbubble rank over here so that you have an idea on what type of products are currently in the top ranking in Redbubble. We have a lot of useful information available for us, given to us by the podcs.com, which will greatly improve the way we utilize and make use of Redbubble. And as you can see here, these are the top products over here that you can see. There's even ranking over here that you could check out. And that is how you could use podcasts, and that's how you will be able to generate or create tags that are highly effective for your Redbubble products. Now, keep in mind, when utilizing this PodCS, the way you utilize the information that is being provided to you is completely up to you. Whether you are able to utilize it effectively or not depends on how you would like to approach this data over here. So I suggest that you do your research as well. Even though you have this access to all of these tools right now that we have over here, make sure that you're also having an idea on what to avoid and what to go with. For example, like I said earlier, you should avoid topics that are brand names, movies, or even games, because Redbubble has infringement and you won't be able to get much money if you are breaking some rules in Redbubble. So take your time. You're not going to create an amazing product that would sell for thousands of dollars overnight. You're going to have to do a lot of research and create an output that will really get a lot of attention from other people as well. And that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to generate or find tags for your Redbubble products. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.